Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to set time away on the eBay app, a useful feature if you want to pause your listings temporarily without affecting your account status. I will guide you through the process. First, open the eBay app on your smartphone. Next, tap on My eBay, located at the bottom of your screen. Then scroll down until you see the Settings option and tap on it. After that, find the option labeled Time Away and click on it. Next, tap on None Scheduled to create a new time away schedule. Then, select the start date for when you want your time away to begin. After that, choose the end date for when you want your eBay account to be active again. Finally, click on Apply to save your time away settings. Once this is done, eBay will automatically pause your listings during the selected period, and buyers will see that you are temporarily unavailable. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.